In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the commons that is in your global navigation. So if you look at the side global navigation, commons looks like a little sideways horseshoe with an arrow. When I click there, it is going to bring me to this library of amazing resources that we can bring into our courses. So if you go up to the search bar and you type in a content area. So I'm going to put in culinary arts. When I type in culinary arts, all of these different resources show up. And you can see that they are either a course, which is indicated by the little book in the blue dot, a module, there are quizzes, and there are also pages. So if I wanted to filter my search, and maybe I only want to look at quizzes, I could click here on quizzes. I could indicate the grade level. So let's say I only wanted to look at quizzes that were 9th through 12th. Then it is going to isolate that search. So only the quizzes and that grade level show up. If you were to click on one of these, so let's say that I was interested in this culinary arts one right here for 10th grade. When I click on it, it is going to give me a little preview. It is going to give me the details. It's going to give me any version notes that were written. And then I can either star it so that it adds to my favorites for another time. I can copy this resource link if I wanted to copy it and maybe save it in a location or send the link to a colleague, or I can import and download it. And when I import or download, I can choose exactly which course that it is imported to. So I would highly recommend looking at this commons in your content area for different resources, because there's no reason to recreate the wheel when there's some amazing resources out there that we can use.